Rosa has been tracking something. She took a floor plan of the facility and traced the path a batch of toffee takes from the moment it leaves the kettle to the moment it ships. This kind of drawing is called a spaghetti diagram. You literally trace the path of your product through the facility, and it usually ends up looking like a plate of spaghetti. Here's what she found. The toffee makes 7 stops. Kettle room to cooling tables to a staging area to the enrobing line, through the cooling tunnel, over to the packing room, out to the warehouse across town, then back from the warehouse for final gift box kitting. 7 stops. But only 2 of those, the enrobing line and the cooling tunnel, actually change the product. Transportation waste is the unnecessary movement of materials or product. Every time those toffee slabs get loaded onto a pallet, moved to another room, unloaded, and staged for the next step, there is cost. Forklift time, operator time, and risk, because every move is a chance for damage. A bin gets bumped, toffee slabs crack, and now you have seconds instead of premium pieces. Rosa counted the moves and estimated each unnecessary transport cost roughly 6 minutes per batch. With 20 batches a day, that is 2 hours of forklift and operator time every day, moving product that is not being transformed. Now here is where people get confused. Watch Maria. She finishes packing a gift box, then walks 15 feet to that metal shelf to grab the next message sleeve. 15 feet out, 15 feet back. She does this 400 times per shift. Let's do the math. 30 feet per trip, 400 trips. That is 12,000 feet. Over 2 miles of walking per shift. But this is not transportation waste. The toffee did not move. Maria moved. This is motion waste. Unnecessary movement of people. Here is the simple distinction. If stuff moves, it is transportation. If you move, it is motion. This distinction matters because the solutions are completely different. Transportation waste. Moving product 5 unnecessary times? You fix that by redesigning the layout. Put the enrobing line closer to the cooling tables. Eliminate the staging area. Ship direct from the packing room instead of routing through a separate warehouse. Motion waste. Maria walking 2 miles for sleeves? You fix that by bringing the supplies to her. A small rack of message sleeves mounted right at her station. Maybe $30 in hardware. That is it. 2 different wastes that look similar but need entirely different fixes. Think about what that 2-mile walk actually costs. It is not just Maria's time. Though, at roughly 45 seconds per trip, that is, 5 hours of walking per shift across the whole packing team. It is also the disruption. Every time Maria leaves her station, her flow breaks. She has to reorient when she gets back. Across a full shift, that fragmented attention contributes to packing errors. A wrong sleeve in a box. A missing piece. Now picture that $30 rack at her station. She reaches 2 feet instead of walking 30. 5 hours of walking becomes 0. Packing errors from distraction drop. Maria's job just got easier. That is what eliminating motion waste feels like.